Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to change blending modes now. First, select the layer you want to affect in the Layers panel. Once selected, tap its thumbnail or the layer name, and then tap the small N indicator to open the Blend Mode menu. Make sure the layer's opacity is visible and set to a starting value you can adjust later. This gets you into Procreate's mode picker immediately so you can audition modes without losing any work. Next, we'll explore the actual mode choices and what they do. Now experiment with mode categories to see how they affect color and contrast. Scroll through groups like Darken, Lighten, and Contrast, and tap a mode to preview it live on your canvas. This direct preview shows the how and why of each option. Once done, use the opacity slider to soften the result. Blending mode plus opacity often yields the best look. Make sure to toggle between a few modes so you understand which preserves highlights, shadows, or color saturation for your intended effect. Finish by refining. Use clipping masks or lock transparency to confine the blended effect to specific pixels, and duplicate the layer before flattening so you retain an editable copy. Once happy, consider merging selectively or exporting a PSD to preserve modes for later. If you run into issues, for example, the blend preview not updating or modes acting oddly, toggle layer visibility, restart Procreate, or duplicate the layer and apply the mode to the copy. These quick fixes resolve most preview and caching glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.